Ever wish you could earn money while you sleep using AI? You're not alone. Let me show you how I tested 3 passive income ideas you can set up this weekend without quitting your job. I spent the past week testing beginner-friendly AI tools to see what's actually doable. No coding, no big budget, just smart tools and simple steps. Let's dive into what worked. First up, an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. I started with a faceless YouTube channel. No filming, no showing your face. Everything is created with AI. It's perfect if you're camera shy or just don't have time to shoot content. I used Pictory to turn a simple script into a full video. It adds visuals, captions, and transitions automatically. Then I generated a voiceover with ElevenLabs. It sounds just like a real person. Paste your script, choose a voice, and boom, you've got narration. Upload to YouTube with a clear title and strong thumbnail. Stay consistent. Even one video a week can grow fast over time. I use Canva to create my thumbnails in under 10 minutes. To earn passively, include affiliate links to the tools you mention. If someone signs up, you get paid, even while you sleep. Next, sell digital products made by AI. Digital products are hands-off once they're created. With ChatGPT, I made an ebook and a prompt pack in a few hours. You don't need to be a writer. The AI fills in 80% of the work. I asked ChatGPT to help me write something useful, like a guide for freelancers. Then I cleaned it up and personalized it. Next, I jumped into Canva. It's free and has beautiful templates that made my content look professional. I uploaded everything to Gumroad, a platform that handles sales and delivery for you. Once it's up, all you do is promote your link. You can even bundle multiple products together to increase value. Lastly, consider creating an AI-powered blog or newsletter. Not a video person? You can still make money writing, with AI's help. I asked ChatGPT to draft blog posts based on trending AI searches. It wrote solid content that I just had to tweak and personalize. A good trick is to add personal examples or use cases. It makes the writing feel more human. I posted on Substack. It's free to start, and you can monetize with affiliate links or subscriptions. I also used Notion AI to organize my ideas and schedule weekly posts. It's like having an editorial assistant. These 3 methods are more than just ideas. They're systems you can start today and grow over time. So what's your move? You don't need to do all 3. Just pick one and commit to it this weekend. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I'll be breaking down each of these income streams in full tutorials, tools, results, and what actually makes money. By the way, you can combine these ideas too. Promote your ebook in your newsletter. Embed your YouTube video on your blog. That's how real automation starts.